Welcome to downtown Dakar. This is the Tallinn Market. It is the most amazing place I've ever seen in my life. Fresh fish, smoked fish. We're going to do a little bit of shopping here, and then we're going to bring all those ingredients to see a friend of mine, Pierre Chum. So now we're going to do one of my favorite Tuesday night recipes, yaki udon. You'll probably tell me I didn't pronounce that right?
You actually did pretty well, Chris. You're getting better. There's hope.
So what we have to do is use our senses. And so we're going to listen. You can hear it kind of bubbling and hissing. Sometimes the top of the pot makes kind of a clanging sound. That's a good indicator.
So when it starts to foam, clang, and sputter, then you know it's ready.
Ta-da!
You do it so well, and it looks so easy to do. Normal humans, it's not going to be that easy.
Well, I'm going to let you try one.
Oh.
Are you, you consider yourself a normal human?
I don't know, am I?
We like these because they're about 3 times hotter than a jalapeno. But again, we don't want anything too aggressive. We only want a little bit of heat to spike this dish up.
Wait, you just said it was 3 times hotter than a jalapeno, but you want to be too aggressive? Isn't that aggressive? Today on Milk Street, we're here in Madrid to do something, well, kind of crazy. We're meeting with 2 very famous chefs, but they're known for their fusion cooking, and we're going to ask them to do something traditional, something that actually translates well to America. You know, we went to Taipei. The first night we went to the Rouse Street Market, which is this 3 football field long corridor of food stalls. Ice cream burritos, rotisserie corn with this great chili paste on top, stinky tofu, which tastes good, doesn't smell good.
This is the kombu, the dried seaweed. It's a beautiful way to add flavor to the broth. It adds a salinity to it, but it also adds that flavor of the ocean. What's the word for that?
The oceanic flavor.
Yes.
I'm the resident poet here in Milk Street, you can tell.
I've noticed brown butter gets a little bit quiet right before it's ready. You get all that intense bubbling in the beginning, and then as the milk solids start to separate and cook, everything gets a little bit quiet.
So should we talk softly?
We should.
Fennel comes mostly with these fronds attached. So we're gonna cut those off. And make sure you save these.
I knew you were gonna say that. Put it in the back of your refrigerator next to the fat from the...
So our underhydrated noodles are now going to get the last bit of liquid that they need to finish cooking.
I'm here in Taipei with teacher Chuang. She's been cooking here in this cooking school for over 40 years. Actually, she's trained many of the people who cook in the food stalls and some of the night markets. This is such a great soup. I've made this 4 or 5 times for people who've never had it before. And they go, what is this? You know, and they do explain how easy it is, and they're amazed. So inspired by a recipe from Burma, this is our coconut cashew cake. Clean, bright flavors, and that's the essence of Cape Malay cooking. I don't know what to say. After 40 years, I'm speechless. This is so good. You know I really like a dish when I just keep eating and stop talking. And you know, people always go, does he really like that?
It's a big deal.
Well, if I keep eating it, I guess I do. Yeah.